Today I'll be using an example to explain the importance of evaluating future demand based on the developments surrounding. Here, let's take a look at High Park Residences located in Fernvale and was launched back in 2015. Hi everyone, Sean here and welcome back to my channel. With the influx of the new launches experiencing high demand and a high take-up rate, I'll be sharing with you how to spot the right unit that can give us the highest chance of appreciation in the future. Today I'm going to take these two particular stacks to do a comparison. First, Stack 38, which is facing the entrance of the condominium, and second, Stack 57, which is facing the swimming pool. Both units are 3-bedders and mid-level and bought on the same day at $854,000. Given the choice today, which unit would you have selected? I believe most of us would have go for the Stack 57 because of the better facing to the pool. So let's find out if Stack 57 unit indeed made more profits. So about 3.5 years later, the unit facing the pool made a good profit of $181,000, whereas the unit in Stack 38 facing the entrance made a whopping $346,000, a difference of $165,000 in profits. So what helped the Stack 38 unit make almost double the profits of the Stack 57 unit? The answer lies in layout and demographics of the location. High Park Residences is located in Fernvale in a residential area with a lot of HDB flats around, which means HDB upgraders make a large part of the demand of units in High Park Residences. Being HDB upgraders, more often than not are families who would prioritize layout over other factors. So we're going to dive deep into the layout to analyze the difference between Stack 57 and Stack 38. Stack 57 is an 893 square feet unit and Stack 38 is a 980 square feet unit. So what is the main difference between these two layouts? You see from the floor plan that the 980 square feet unit comes with a utility room and a 3 proper bedroom that can fit at least a queen size bed. Whereas the 893 square feet unit, the smallest room can only fit a single bed and has no utility room, which is very important for HDB upgraders as it can be used as an extra storage space. This also explains why the 980 square feet unit will have a higher demand as compared to the 893 square feet unit. The second reason lies in a general purchasing pattern during the project launch, where buyers of the 980 square feet are looking to buy for own stay, whereas the buyers of 893 square feet would likely be buying mostly for investment purposes. And because they're investors, most of them will be looking to sell upon TOP once the property appreciates. However, this also leads to a higher supply of the 893 square feet unit in the market by then. Comparing to the 980 square feet units, which we will see lesser supply because most of them were bought for own stay and less will choose to sell their unit upon TOP. Looking at this scenario, we want to buy units that would have high demand and low supply like the 980 square feet units in Stack 38. If we are able to understand who our potential resale buyers are in future, we will be able to identify which unit types and layout we should go for. The example that I've gone through is specific for High Park Residences, and I hope that this example prompts you to look beyond just the typical metrics of level and facing when selecting a unit. Depending on the location and its demographics, future demands and supply of the different units and layout will differ, affecting their profits potential. Alright, that's all for today. I hope you have learned something. If you have any projects in mind that you want me to run through with you, feel free to call me or drop me a text and I will connect with you shortly. I'm Sean and I'll see you soon. Bye bye!